I'm sure you're here to learn all about teacher style box. So I'm here to discuss with y'all teacher style box. Let's get into today's video. Use the mess that is currently known as my baby nursery. Here is what your box looks like. So it's gonna come in this box, teacher style box. You open it up and you have your beautiful selections that you have ordered. So you are gonna get, we're doing a little unboxing together. You are gonna get 2 styles. So what I decided to do was, for this particular box, I wanted to see how their plus size clothing looks. I'm not plus size, but my mom is. And I felt like maybe we want to see what teacher style box is doing for plus size teachers. So the first garment that I got, this is for my mom to try. So these are the two items that I got from teacher style box. As I said, this one isn't my size, but I wanted to see like how well they can style someone who is plus size. Dress that I got needed to be ironed a little bit. So what I did, ain't nobody got time to iron and mess something up. So I put it in the dryer on medium for a few minutes and it looks a lot better without wrinkles in it. So I try to pick items that are not my style just so I can get the chance to wear something different. It looks like it's going to be a little bit big on me because, like I said, I'm a small. But we're going to jump into it and we will. I showed y'all what I got from Teacher Style Box. I am about to do a little try on with y'all. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I absolutely love this dress. I didn't think I would. I wish I could show y'all the whole thing like on a mirror or something. I'm going to try to like adjust. It's really, really long. You can see my bump. And I paired it with some sandals. So I'm going to take a full body shot and I will insert it. I hope you guys all enjoyed my video on Teacher Style Box. You can try it now. Free for 30 days. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below. No code required. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you want more teacher content, you can follow me on social media, Instagram, all social media platforms. My username is @HotMessTeaching. So I'd love to connect with you. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Me and baby are signing off. See y'all later. Bye.